Good morning, children. How are you? Children, I hope you all are keeping fine at home and enjoying yourself by watching videos on regular basis. So, Vaya, what is this special day today? Who will tell me? So, children, do you know? Today we are celebrating theme of the month vegetable. What we are celebrating? Theme of the month vegetable. So, do you all love vegetable? Do you want to see the vegetable? Now what we are going to do this with this vegetable? We are going to make a craft. Oh, do you think craft we are going to make with vegetable? कैसे हम क्राफ्ट बनाएंगे? आपने सोचा है? आपको पता है कि हम इंटरेस्टिंग चीज बनाने वाले हैं यूजिंग वेजिटेबल्स. So here I took tomato, cucumber. What is this? Green capsicum. And here spring onion is there with me. Here you can see spring onion. For making this craft, we are going to use vegetables and we are going to make a, what is this? You all love to play this now? You sit on it and you go for ride. Can you guess the name of the craft? Tell me. Can you guess the name? Children, the name of the craft is vegetable cycle. We are going to make a vegetable cycle. Now, we are going to cut this vegetables. So children, make sure while you are cutting these vegetables, your parents must be there with you because you are going to use a knife for it. So let's begin with this. Are you excited? Oh, I hope you are excited, children. So let's make a craft. What we are going to do, we will cut this vegetables with the help of knife, but make sure when you are doing this activity, ask your parent to do all this thing and you just make the craft. Okay. Here we are going to take now spring onion, children, and we will cut the spring onion. Okay. You can use a board also for cutting this. Now it's a time of cutting capsicum. Okay, now we will begin to make a craft. Are you ready? Now here we will take a cucumber and we will cut the cucumber. Okay. Now let's divide this like this. Okay. Now rest part we will keep aside. Okay. And we'll make a slice cut of this. Children, as I showed you all the vegetables that we are going to use for making a vegetable cycle. So here again I'll show you. See children, this is spring onion which I have cut right into small parts. Can you see like this? So you also can ask your mama okay to cut and give you. This is capsicum which I have cut into small pieces. See, cucumber, it is also cut. See children, it is also cut in small part, and we need 2 tomato slices in circular shape for making a vegetable cycle. So now let's begin with this craft. Okay, here first we will keep like this 2 tomato slices. See, here is one, here is one. Okay, now what we are going to do, we will make a wheel. Here again same we will do. We will make a wheel here. Now the first part is over. Here is to tie our wheels. Now what are we going to do? Okay. So this is the another part, okay? Now here can you see our vegetable cycle is ready? So children, our vegetable cycle is ready. So isn't it very interesting that our vegetable cycle is ready? So children, do you know why do we selected this craft? Because we are celebrating theme of the month, vegetables. So we selected a craft based on vegetable. So I hope children, while doing this craft you will enjoy yourself. So make sure while doing cutting of all these vegetables you ask your parents to cut, okay? Don't use knife when you are alone. If someone is there in front of you, then only you do it. Otherwise ask your parents to do it. Thank you children. Enjoy yourself while doing this craft. It is very easy. All the materials which we are using is available at home very easily. Bye bye. Enjoy yourselves children.